everybody has whatever interest they have. If I redeem a pro rata share, pro rata portion of your shares, does your relative interest in the company change?
No.
No, which is why it's treated as a dividend for tax purposes. For you, who's an individual, Ellen, who holds the shares, the distribution, the redemption is treated as a, so it's a dividend. Okay, treated as a dividend. So for all the individuals, treated as dividend, which is just fine because it's an S corp anyway. But for the trust, what happens for the trust?
It's not.
It's
a
not
partial
what?
redemption of a,
It's a redemption, and therefore,
it's not income.
it's not income, and it is principal. And what do we then, are we not required to do with it?
Not distributed.
We're not required to distribute to the beneficiary. So the only people who are affected by that are the trust and its beneficiaries. But the individuals are not affected in any way, shape, or form. They get the money, their pro rata shares, okay, you don't have 100 shares now, everybody gets a 2% haircut, you got 98 shares. But everybody else got a 2% haircut too. So your relative share of the company remains unchanged. But for the trust, we've now succeeded in taking something that would be income and required to be distributed if we just declared a dividend and making it principal for the trust. That's not required to be distributed. Okay? So, again, have an understanding of the UPIA. That's if we have a principal and income act, if we have a principal or income question, the place we're going to look at is UPIA. That's where those questions are going to be answered, whether something's income or principal. And maybe the governing instrument as well. Okay?